Let's have a closer look at this product in closer detail. Here we're looking at the Convenience Concepts 3-tier Big Sur Highboy TV stand, which is available in multiple color finishes. This sturdy construction is made of real solid pine and birch veneer. It's made with real glass windows in both doors with metal handles. Helps keep you organized in your home or your home office. Also keeps cords and cables more organized and out of sight. We discovered that our Bose stereo system at this height, while we're sitting on the couches, plays very well from our Highboy TV stand. This unit is about 3 feet long, approximately 16 inches wide, and about 3 feet high. Also includes easy, hassle-free assembly instructions. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.